everyone. Welcome to our first English learning podcast. My name is David.
And I am Sarah. Today, we will practice how to introduce ourselves and ask questions in English. Let's get started.
Hi, my name is David. What is your name?
Hello, David. My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah.
David, where are you from?
I am from New York. And you?
I am from London.
Sarah, how are you today?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am excellent, thank you.
David, what do you do?
I am a teacher. And you?
I am a nurse.
Sarah, do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading. How about you?
I like reading too, especially history books.
That's wonderful. What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is The History of Time. What about yours?
I love Pride and Prejudice.
Great job today. We learned how to introduce ourselves, ask questions, and talk about hobbies.
Yes, practice these phrases every day. Next time, we will learn how to talk about daily routines.
Thank you for listening. See you next time.
Bye everyone.